In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Lens for your device. So as you can see in here, I have this Google Lens icon beside the microphone icon on my Google app. Clarify, you won't be able to remove the Google Lens application. You can only disable it for your device. Now to do that, what you'll need to do is to head over to your settings. Now once you're on your settings, go ahead and head over to the app section. On the apps section, go ahead and click on the Manage Apps button to be able to manage your apps on your device. Now, in this area, you'll need to look for the Google application. Once you have found the Google application, head over to the App Permissions. So, just go ahead and click on App Permissions. In this section, make sure to disable the camera permissions along with the photos and video permissions. Once you have this disabled, you'll be able to disable the Google Lens application for your Google app. And that's how you can simply remove Google Lens. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.